Introducing She's Birdie, the original personal safety alarm designed specifically for women by women. This compact and stylish device features a loud siren and a strobe light, instantly alerting others in case of an emergency. With a sleek keychain design, it's easy to carry and access when you need it most. Available in a variety of colors, including aqua, She's Birdie is both functional and fashionable. Whether you're walking alone at night, jogging, or just want some extra peace of mind, T.
City Beauty City Lips Clear is a plumping lip gloss designed to hydrate and volumize your lips while providing a high-shine finish. Infused with hyaluronic acid and peptides, it visibly smooths lip wrinkles and enhances lip fullness. This cruelty-free formula delivers long-lasting moisture, making your lips appear fuller and more youthful with a non-sticky texture. Perfect for adding shine and definition to your lips. The Nabi Lip Liner Pencil set includes 54 pieces, offering a wide range of colors for all your makeup needs. These lip liners are designed to provide smooth, precise application, helping to define and shape your lips with ease. Each pencil has a creamy texture that glides on effortlessly, ensuring long-lasting color that resists smudging. Perfect for both beginners and professional makeup artists, this set is a versatile addition to any beauty collection. The F3PCS Chestnut Nude Brown Matte Lip Liner and Lipstick Combo Set includes a versatile range of shades ideal for everyday wear. This kit features D&M Antique Rose Magic Lipstick and 2 coordinating lip liners, offering a perfect match for creating defined, fuller lips. With a formula that lasts up to 24 hours, these lip products are waterproof, smudge-proof, and designed to stay in place all day. The matte finish provides a chic, sophisticated look, making it a great choice for both casts. The Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics Eyeshadow Palette offers 6 versatile nude taupe and brown shades in a velvety matte finish, perfect for creating both natural everyday looks and dramatic smoky eyes. The compact, travel-friendly size makes it easy to take on the go. Its blendable, high-pigment formula is vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring a smooth application with a long-lasting effect. Ideal for all skin tones, this palette is a must-have for any makeup collection.